Welcome to part 6 of our tutorial series. Today we will be interacting with items inside your desktop, as well as organizing our desktop by creating folders, renaming items and deleting items. As you may have noticed, these items were generated using the Express application wizards in the previous tutorial. Another way to add items is to simply click on the Add button, and we can add folders, applications, forms, data view and workflow. Another way to add items is to simply right-click on the desktop. Notice we have a feedback button. Feel free to interact with the Collate team by explaining any issues or any features that you might request. To search for items, simply start typing inside the search bar at the right side of the desktop. For example, if we search for anything with the name person, simply click enter, and we will find that the desktop changed into searched items, and anything with the word person inside will be displayed. To remove the filter, simply click on the X. To rename items, simply right-click and rename. This works for any item. To add a folder to organize a desktop, simply click on the Add Folder button. Now we can move items inside the folders we created by simply clicking and dragging. Notice the highlighted area. This indicates a valid drop zone. Notice that when we drag an item, the desktop also gets highlighted. What that means is we can double click on our folder and also drag back to the desktop. Let's create another folder for our forms. To delete an item, right-click and delete. When deleting items in Collate, the item gets moved to a recycle bin. This can be accessed over here. To restore the item, simply right-click and restore. Collate also does file versioning. This is especially helpful on image files. Let us show that in action. Remember we had an About Us page generated for us and we modified the layout. Notice we have a boardroom image. If we go back to the folder where we have this image, upload an image with exactly the same name. And Collate will handle the rest. For example, if we refresh this page, the image will be updated. This is true for everywhere this image is used inside any application. If we want to revert back to that version, Collate has a handy file versioning system. Simply double click, click on the version that you would like to use, and automatically the page will be updated. We also have account settings, any feedback to contact the Collate team. We also have a welcome page with tutorials, and we can sign out. To change your account settings, click on Account Settings and enter your current password and a new password if you wish to do so. If you would like to change the Collate theme, simply click on these buttons below. To sign out of Collate, just click Sign Out. Thank you for watching.